What's up, everybody? We are having a blast on day 2 here in Napo, China. This is Penelope's hometown, and just having a little bit of a rest day today. Doing a little tour of the countryside.
Yeah.
Very exciting. It's beautiful here. Oh my gosh. As a photographer, I'm like, oh, thank you, Lord. And tonight, we're actually going to go to Penelope's foster mom's home, and we're going to cook dinner together. She was telling us about all the food she bought at the market this morning, and she's so excited. And I'm excited to get to cook with her.
Yeah, she's going to show us.
So pumped about that. And then she's asked if we can go karaoke.
Yeah.
Which is fun.
Karaoke, that should be really cool.
Yeah. So I'm excited. Apparently, Penelope's foster mom has a beautiful voice. So we're very excited to hear that and get to sing and just have some fun.
Yeah.
And just rest up today a little bit more. And yeah, it's going to be good. So we got everybody here on the bus.
Hello.
Everybody say hi.
Hello.
Say what's up. Okay, so yeah, we're going to bring you guys along.
Beautiful sights.
Ready for the sights. Let's go.
So we are going to be walking through the fields, so we're going to wear the baby carrier. And Steven's going to wear it today because I wore it yesterday. And that child is heavy. You gonna?
It'll be like Colorado all over again.
I know. This is going to be interesting. It wasn't too bad yesterday, honestly. It distributes the weight pretty evenly.
Horse. Feels so violated right now. Yeah.
There we go. Did he stay asleep for this whole thing?
Yes.
He is, oh baby. He's like, I'm trying to sleep here, guys. Baby's trying to sleep. Oh my gosh. Looking good.
I feel like an X-Man.
You're looking good, babe.
Superpowers, baby.
Yeah. Here you go. There you go. He's waking up. He's smiling. He's like, what's going on here? There you go. Nice.
Float like a sting like a bee.
Looking good. There's not a lot more attractive than a guy with a baby. I love it. You guys ready to go on a hike?
Ready.
See the beautiful countryside? Let's go. Penelope, taking a picture. You got it? Guys, it is so beautiful here. Guangxi is apparently one of the most beautiful parts of China, and I believe it. Flowers? Thank you. So many flowers. You guys are so sweet. Be very careful walking. Very careful. That's right, you did take gymnastics, so you know how to be careful. This is gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Lincoln, what do you think? He just keeps laughing and looking around.
Lost.
Yeah, it's just breathtaking. I can't believe people live in places like this. What do you think, Jude?
Awesome.
Pretty awesome, huh?
It's a breathtaking view.
Yeah, and you're a nature guy, huh?
Yep.
You've come alive in nature. You're like me. So David just told us that this is actually the rice fields, but that they already harvested it a few weeks ago. And so you would have to wait till next spring to see it again.
So we have to come back next spring.
I guess we'll just have to come back. Oh, darn. Who wants to... Oh, look at this.
Mommy, can I be on this side? She says I can't be on this side.
Look at you, Liam. That's so... yeah, Farmer Liam. That's so cool. So this is a fisherman. And...
Oh, the you?
Yeah.
Ah, lots of fish.
I'm gonna get the.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna get the Nemo.
No, you're not going to touch them. These are his fish.
The eel is still moving.
They're still moving.
The eel is.
Fresh.
Where's the eel?
Oh, yeah. Don't touch, don't touch. Oh. Is this so cool?
Yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
Buildings.
Beauties. And I was like, what? It's very beautiful though, right?
This is a pretty
Look at all the
incredible
trees right
experience
there.
for you
That's
guys.
so cool. It's like a jungle. You
Like a jungle.
Monkeys in it?
Steven's gonna stay here and be a farmer.
In like Africa.
Oh,
Thank you.
look at that. That is so cool.
对呀，没有化肥的。
It's a little bit left over.
It broke.
A little bit of rice left over from this crop.
See the birds?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, right here. 瓜娃，对呀，那个很好吃的。Oh, right here.
look, guys. Oh, did he get it? Look, guys. Wow.
It's yummy.
Guava fruit. Those are so cool. What do you think, Ethan?
Should I? Try it.
Yeah.
You can try it.
Oh, you can try it right now?
More guava.
Is it good?
It's yummy.
It's probably very fresh, huh? Right off the tree. What do you think, Kira?
I like it.
It's
What does
good,
it taste
huh?
like?
Oh, those are beautiful. Everyone's picking me flowers today.
I know.
Aw.
How is it?
I
It's
know.
good. It's really
sweet?
good. Is it ready?
Sweet.
It kind of reminds me
Is it
of
sweet?
a little bit like
Yeah.
mint. I don't know why.
It's sweet.
Is it
Nice.
Jude, you want to try some?
It's like a mixture of avocado and pear.
I like it.
You like it?
I don't know why
That's
it
so
reminds me
cool,
of
guys. I'm gonna go across this bridge. Penelope's already over there. This is normal stuff for her. She's seen this a million times. The rest of us are like, oh my gosh, wow. But she's like, this is nothing new. Okay, so we just got back to the hotel and the little kids are gonna take a rest time and our guide is gonna stay with them, and Stephen and I and Penelope are gonna go over to her foster mom's house and she's gonna give us a cooking lesson so we can learn how to make some of Penelope's favorite foods. I'm so excited about this. And then all the kids are gonna come over and we are gonna all have dinner together, and so I think it's gonna be such a special day. This is one of the things I've been looking forward to the very most on this whole trip, is learning how to make some good Chinese food from her foster mom. So are you gonna show us all your favorite things?
I have a lot.
A lot. You have a lot of favorite things. Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be good. Penelope's trying Steven's new glasses on. Looking good. Looking sharp, girl.
Looks small.
Looks so smart.
Super smart.
Okay, we gotta go get in the house and then let me take you guys go.
Let's do it. We're following you. Lead the way.
Let me go this way. Okay, also let me show you my school.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna go see Penelope's school really quick.
This is my school.
This is your school right here? That's so cool.
Everyone will look at us this way.
Everyone's looking at us.
Ooh, this black one's cool.
Steven wants a moped. Those are pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
He and Reese are scheming up something when we get back home.
We are in fact.
Maybe we'll save up for one.
That'd be pretty sweet.
These are pretty cool. I love the green color. Green is my favorite color.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Here we are. Right on.
Welcome to that.
So cool. Whoa.
This is a really small house.
This is an amazing kitchen though.
This is Penelope's old room.
Oh my gosh.
I have nice glass. This is a little bit dirty.
Wow, it's a little dirty. That's okay.
One night I took a picture about my best friend as a Cold War.
Oh wow.
So my time mother did not take it out for 2 years.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. This
That's so
is
cool.
awesome.
Yep.
Oh man. He thinks that is so funny. He's like, did you actually eat that? I wanted that one. Did Daddy eat the orange? Daddy ate the orange.
This looks so good. This is a legit karaoke room.